Welcome back to another episode. I'm actually here in Miami and I've gotten a great response when shooting these day in the life episodes, so I thought I'd take you along my vacation as a day trader. I live somewhere where it's awfully cold, and so I thought I'd take a couple days, come somewhere warm, get some sunlight and trade. Again, I could take my phone, my laptop, wherever I want and make money from anywhere in the world, but we're down in Florida for a couple days. I thought I'd take you along the vacation in the life of a full-time day trader. So hopefully you guys will learn a bit about trading and what it's like being a full-time day trader, at least on vacation. So let's go. All right, so it is 3 o'clock, which means this is power hour, which means that I'm gonna start looking to see if I can find a trade to take. Now, again, I post all my personal trades over inside my mentorship group, so students are able to see when I'm buying and selling a stock live in real time. But I'm gonna hop on here, spend the next 30 minutes trying to identify any setups, and then if I do actually enter the trade, which I will document, and if not, we're gonna head out, and we got a lot of stuff planned, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna do a little talking bit. Oh my god, this is insane. Okay, so the only stock that I'm actually gonna be keeping an eye on is ticker symbol TEAM. Okay, you can see we're pushing up toward resistance at 157.71. We tested that level today and got rejected. And you can see previously, it was about two and a half weeks ago, we got rejected at that level again. If we do see a break above this level, I'm looking for a move back up to 178.99. So a breakout above this resistance level, which has been tested 2 times, would indicate a break in pattern, a break of those lower highs. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we've been in a steady downtrend. This chart is very bearish, going from the top left to the bottom right, since making that high at $300.29. But again, it's 326. I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna be patient. Trading is about being patient and not forcing entries, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this, and maybe another opportunity will arise later on, but we're gonna head out and go enjoy the day. All right, so it is the next day. We went on an awesome helicopter ride last night over Miami at sunset. That was an incredible experience. I'm sitting out here on the balcony getting my morning trading session in. I sent out my pre-market watch list to the team over inside my mentorship group. And later today, I'm gonna be taking you guys along. We're gonna be going out on jet skis, and we're gonna be jet skiing out to this island. I'm gonna be trading, and it's gonna be another amazing day in Miami. So I'm so glad to be here. Again, hope you guys are enjoying. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. The next day, this is our 3rd day in Miami, and it is already 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Just been trying to enjoy it here. It's beautiful, the weather's great, and we're gonna head back to the apartment, or it's a different Airbnb we're staying at, for the next 2 days, and I will be checking on the stock market and seeing if there are any trades that I may take. Okay, so we are here. We just checked into our new place, and we're actually going to dinner right now. All right, today is our last and final day in Miami. It's been a crazy trip. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I actually am gonna go ahead, I'm gonna break down a chart real quick. I mentioned TEAM, ticker symbol TEAM, in the beginning of this video, and I wanted to check on it now that it's the end of the week. Today's actually Saturday, and see how my prediction played out. How I thought the chart would develop, if I was right, if I was wrong. I feel like that would be a good way to end this amazing video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Again, don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. We're getting super close to 100,000 subscribers, and I just want to thank you guys so much. But let's go ahead, hop on my computer, and break down TEAM and see what the outcome would have been if I actually took the trade. If you guys have made it this long in the video, I wanted to give you guys a discount code if you're interested in seeing my exact trades in the stock market in 2023. I did this in 2022 as well. It was a great year. I post my entries, I post my exits live in real time with 100% transparency, and I'm also going to give you 30+ videos breaking down my entire trading strategy and system, so you don't have to just rely on me and that way you'll be able to learn the lifelong skill of trading and exactly how I'm able to find success in the stock market. Patience is key in this game. Now you can see ticker symbol TEAM has just broken as of Friday, yesterday, again today is Saturday, that level at 157.71. Okay, now as I mentioned in the previous recording, I believe that was 3 days ago, that I'd be waiting for confirmation of a break of that pattern. Okay, this was a very clear resistance overhead at 157.71, and as you can see, we ended up breaking through that level, and we're forming a candle above that level right now. You can see a little candle on the 4-hour time frame. So charts don't lie. Support and resistance levels are highly underappreciated, and fake candlestick patterns like bull flags or bearish trending flagging charts don't work. It's a coin toss. But when you're looking at a pattern as far as the historical data and how a price has played out, and looking at a chart on a greater time frame using a couple of moving averages, using that skill and that knowledge, you're able to find a series of charts that would present great opportunity. Now it is your job to go break down which chart presents the most opportunity and if the risk to reward is worth it for you. So it's great to see that ticker symbol TEAM actually playing out exactly as I expected. And so next week, Monday, when it comes time, I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna decide whether it is in my best interest or not to take a trade. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you learned a bit about trading and what it's like as a full-time day trader. I spent about $8,000 on this little 4-day vacation, and I'm not saying that to flex or brag. I'm just super grateful and super fortunate and thankful to the stock market for providing me with this opportunity. So again, the first link is in the description if you'd like access to see all my trades moving forward with lifetime access again to the mentorship group. So thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.